This is really, really super aromatic. We've got a lamb and vegetable stew today. Middle Eastern, Arabic, Arab style. It really is delicious. It's not swimming in a sauce. It's fairly dry in what they call a kind of nashif kind of way. It is beautiful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so what we have here is the following. I've got some lamb there. There's no bone on it or not much fat. It's quite a lean cut. There's 500 grams there, which is just over 1 pound. 1 can of tomatoes. Then you can see the vegetables I'm using today: zucchini, bell peppers, and carrots. They're about the same amounts. And there's about 2 cups of each there. 1 cup of onions, 135 grams of tomato paste, or one of those little, Tetra Pak things. Tablespoon of garlic. Then our spices. Let's take a look. So I've got 2 teaspoons of coriander, 2 teaspoons of cumin, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of green cardamom powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then here, 2 teaspoons salt, pepper, dried thyme, and black lemon. Now a lot of you are going to ask me about black lemon. This is black lemon powder. You can get it in the whole form like that and drop it in. But yeah, we're using the powder today. Let's get moving. Okay, so I've got quite a large wok here. You're going to need a saucepan or something like that. In there I've got some olive oil. I've just put the heat on. We're going to drop in our lamb. Like I say, there's 500 grams here, which is just over 1 pound. No skin, no bone in there. Just for about 4 minutes on a medium heat. Let's just get this started. Okay, that's just like 4 minutes. I mean, we've still got pink parts there, but we've just started to get it moving. Next up, I'm going to drop in a tablespoon of garlic, chopped garlic, 1 onion or a cup of onions. And now I'm going to drop in my carrots, like my hardest vegetable. We're going to go for another 4 minutes on a medium heat. Absolutely wonderful. Right, let's get in some spices. Let's have a look. Black lemon powder, salt, pepper, and thyme. Cumin, coriander, nutmeg, green cardamom, cinnamon powder. This is really going to be super aromatic, this one. And then next up, we're going to add in our tomato paste. 135 grams, or like I say, one of those small little Tetra Packs. In it goes. 4 to 5 minutes, again on this medium heat. We actually really want to cook that tomato paste out. Keep it moving. I'll see you then. Beautiful stuff. Now 1 can of tomatoes, which are roughly, these were whole, so I just roughly crushed them with my hand. Again, another 5 minutes or so on a medium heat. Keep it moving. This is really going to be super delicious. Okay, simply what we're going to do now is I'm going to add some water. I mean, you could use a stock if you wanted to. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower the heat down just a little bit, so it's just kind of below medium. Let that go for about 20 minutes. Just so that we can get that lamb really nice and soft. And you can see that this has thickened beautifully. Now, we've still got zucchini and bell peppers to go. Now, don't add these if you're not comfortable with your lamb, i.e. if your lamb is not cooked. Mine's perfect, because if you put your veg in and you've still got a tough old piece of lamb, it's not going to work out so well. Okay, in go our zucchini, or courgette, or kusa, whatever you call that. Here goes our bell peppers. And any type of vegetable, you can get mushrooms in here, eggplants in here, celery, whatever you fancy. Now I like my vegetables, these guys, fairly crunchy. So I'm just going to go now on this same just below medium heat for maybe 5 or 6 minutes only. But that's your choice. Off goes the heat. Super happy with this. Really, really happy. Check it for salt and pepper. I mean, it's great for me. I've got some cilantro here, or coriander. In that goes, little mix. That is an absolute beauty. Let me get that on the table. And there you go. That is absolutely wonderful, that. Not over wet. It's fairly kind of dry in a kind of nashif kind of way. Super tasty. You can have that with bread or with rice, up to you. I hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really, really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, just enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Aromatic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.